let's get into some real problems here. You currently have $500 saved and you plan on going on vacation in 2 years. It's gonna cost you $3,000. How much do you have to save at the end of each month, assuming 1% interest rate? That's a real problem. You guys have to figure that one out. So how much are you gonna have to save? 2,500? So in this case, let's put 2,500 out under future value. You're gonna make 1%, put that in your interest rate. You're gonna have 24 months to do this, put that 24 in the number of months. How much do you have to save every month? You nailed it.
17. Was it 103?
It's 17 pennies. Don't be off. But in 16 pennies, you're gonna be short when it comes time to go to vacation, 24 cents short. So the answer on that is 103.17. Everybody get it?
I got 145, so no.
You put the 2,500 in future value, 24 on the end, 1 in interest, 0 on PV. You could have gone ahead and done this and said, you could have put 500 in there presently.
Yeah, wouldn't 500
You could have.
be?
Yeah, that's what I did was,
You should be able to do that. But you're gonna determine what the future value is.
yeah, I started with 500 as principal value and then future value of 3,000.
So did you get 124.22?
So 145.
I didn't do this right.
What'd you get?
124.22.
Okay. Shane, what do you got? You're working your butt off over here. You're not getting the answer yet. Come on.
Okay.
He's got
I did 2
14
years.
hours. All he has to do is say $1,498. He's got it
24
in.
months, 1%.
Okay.
So took out the,
So because,
Okay,
why
principal
wouldn't,
value.
why wouldn't 500 be your principal value?
You can.
Oh, because in that case, you need to do 3,000 for
Right,
full
right,
value.
yep,
Then you get the
yeah, I
same
think
For
ratio.
future value, it's gonna be 3,000. You can put in the 500 present value and then add to it. I think it would be a little slightly higher.
144.86.
no, but it's the same
But it
either.
lets you get 1%. What it does, it allows you to earn 1%. You're putting the money in the bank, you're gonna get 1%. So why not put the 500 in now? So you put a negative 500.
Gotcha.
You're writing a check, put it in the bank, negative 500. Put it in there. And it'll be slightly different than what Carl and I did. We just do things fast afterwards. That's why you're here, you know?
I put 2 and then I did that, and then I wasn't sure.
Oh,
You're
okay.
making a 500 and a 3,000 both
Okay,
negative.
when you hit that, you
Then
ended up getting
Yeah.
I'm
negative.
still not getting this $103, I still get the 145 you were getting.
So 24 months,
We just
Yeah,
clear.
24 months, 1%.
1%.
They're all.
Payment value
No.
of negative
We're
500,
gonna do this
right?
in
No, I
36
just
months.
leave it blank.
Is that right? Yeah,
You left it
36
blank.
months.
yeah, so,
36.
Okay,
you're-
and
so
then,
if you're gonna start with 500, you need another
We're
2,500,
gonna do
so
it in 2 years.
2,500 in future value, and then just hit the payment button.
with 0 payment
Yeah.
value?
Present
You
value.
have to 1% in there for the interest rate.
Okay, now I know.
We're starting with 500, so
Okay, so
negative
why
plus
would
minus
3,000
up
be
here.
that number then?
Yeah.
Maybe
So
you
you
have-
already started with 500, so you only need 2,700.
Put in the PV.
Then
In the future, it's gonna be worth 3,000, so put in 3,000 for future value.
No, I keep going for 123
Yeah.
also.
That's what
Yeah,
Yep.
what's our payment?
So,
Yeah.
Okay.
$130, so.
So 144.86,
You
so you
think
got
you
like
did 500 and added to present value, and then did